Want to manage your payment cards on the Tesco app with ease? First, open the Tesco app and navigate to the Account section. From there, tap on Payment Methods. Here you can see your current payment methods. To add a new card, select Add Card. You can either scan your card using your device's camera or manually enter the card details, including your name, card number, expiry date, and CVV. The app will then verify the card with a small test charge, which is immediately reversed. Once added, the card appears in your list. To remove a card, simply select the card you want to delete and confirm the removal. If it's your default card, the app will prompt you to choose a new default. Setting a default card is easy. Just toggle the Set as Default option next to your preferred card. This card will be used automatically for all future purchases on the Tesco app and Tesco.com, making checkout quick and convenient. You can add up to 10 cards. Security is paramount when managing your payment methods. The Tesco app uses advanced security measures like tokenization and end-to-end encryption to protect your card data. This means your sensitive information is replaced with a unique identifier, minimizing the risk of fraud. The app also supports biometric authentication for adding cards and making purchases, adding an extra layer of security. Keep in mind that the Tesco app's payment system is retailer-specific and not a full digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Also remember, always double-check your card details before saving them, and regularly review your payment methods to ensure everything is up to date. If you encounter any issues, such as a default card not saving, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For visually impaired users, Tesco offers voice-guided card entry for enhanced accessibility.